Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making breakfast potatoes. You will need 6 small russet potatoes, 2 cups of smoked sausage, 1 cup of white onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 red bell pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1½ teaspoons of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of parsley flakes, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 3 teaspoons of salt, and 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Bring a large pot of water to a boil, then add your salt and your potatoes. Allow your potatoes to cook for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, remove your potatoes from the water and place them on a paper towel. Using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature, then add your vegetable oil. Now add your sausage and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove your sausage from the pan and set it aside until later. Now add the onion and bell pepper and saute for 2 minutes. Now add your potatoes. Season with the onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and paprika, and mix until well combined. Now add the garlic and parsley flakes and mix until well combined. Allow your potatoes to cook for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. After 10 minutes, return your sausage to the pan and continue to cook for an additional 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, your potatoes are ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. We'll get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. A soul food cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made